Hi everyone, so I've been showing you the 4 pairs of lashes that I got from Meggie Lashes. In the last 2 videos I showed you this pair and this pair, and in this video I'm going to show you the 3rd pair, which is this pair of lashes. So this is in the style Keep Calm. I've already worn these, they look really good on. So these are a more of a medium lash, they're quite chunky, there's a good amount of volume, but they're not too dramatic. If you don't like really dramatic lashes, you'll really like these ones. So that is the 3rd pair of lashes that I got, and now I'm going to show you the 4th pair. So the 4th pair are these lashes. This is in the style Morning. I really like these because it's got a lot of length, but they're not too voluminous, so they're not too chunky, they're not too intense. But if you like a longer lash, this will give you a longer lash. So that is all 4 pairs that I got.